Dear students, I will explain theorem 6.1 of class 9 of a CBSE course. CBSE course theorem 6.1. Theorem 6.1 is if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. We prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Two lines. So AB one line and a CD another line. Two lines are intersect each other at point O. So first given. First is given. Given AB and CD are two lines. AB and CD are two lines intersect each other at point O. At point O. And the two lines leads to vertically opposite angles. Two. One is AOD angle. AOD angle and a BOC angle. These two are vertically opposite angle. Another two AOC and a BOD. This is the BOD angle and the AOC angle. These two angles is pair, one pair, this is another pair. This pair is vertical opposite angle, this pair is vertical opposite angle. So to prove asho na A first ala AOD angle is equal to BOC angle. Second, AOC angle is equal to BOD angle. We prove that AOD is equal to BOC and AOC is equal to BOD. Then proof. First, OA ray OA. The OA ray stands on the line CD. OA ray stands line CD. So two adjacent angles are formed. One is AOC angle, another is AOD angle. AOC angle, another is AOD angle. So AOC angle plus AOD angle, another is AOC angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? Axiom 6.1. Axiom 6.1 call that pair of adjacent angle is 180 degree or a linear pair. This called is a linear pair. Axiom 6.1 called that if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles form is 180 degree. This is the axiom 6.1. Axiom 6.1. By axiom 6.1, AOC angle plus AOD angle is equal to 180 degree. degree. But two angles are adjacent angle. AOC and AOD is the adjacent angle. So AOC plus AOD is equal to 180 degree. Then OD ray stands on AB line. Then ray OD, this is the OD ray stands on line AB, stands on line AB. OD ray, this ray OD ray line stands on line AB, so form AOD angle and BOD angle. These two are adjacent angle. AOD and BOD. OD ray, you see, EOD ray stands on line AB. So AOD and BOD two are adjacent angles. We write AOD angle plus BOD angle plus BOD angle. AOD plus BOD angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? Now axiom 6.1. By axiom 6.1, AOD plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. First, we call that AOC plus AOD is 180 degree. This is equation 1. Then AOD plus BOD is 180 degree. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, this right side is 180 degree. Right side is 180 degree. So 180 is equal. So left side is equal to equal. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, AOC angle plus AOD angle. First AOC plus AOD is equal to BOD. AOD plus BOD from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, 1 AOC plus AOD is 180 degree. 2 AOD plus BOD 180 degree. 2 180 is equal. So AOC plus AOD is equal to AOD plus BOD. AOC plus AOD is equal to AOD plus BOD. So AOD and AOD is equal. Two sides AOD and AOD is equal. So abolish the AOD. I mean the AOD abolish. We abolish AOD. So we get AOC angle is equal to BOD angle. We get AOC angle is equal to BOD angle. You see to prove AOC is equal to BOD. We get AOC is equal to BOD. Similarly, we prove that AOD is equal to BOC. AOD AOD is equal to BOC. AOD is equal to BOC. Similarly, we prove that AOD is equal to BOC. Proved. You see, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertical opposite angles are equal. So AOD is equal to BOC and AOC is equal to BOD. Two pairs of vertical opposite angles are equal, we prove. Understand? Thank you.